Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website April 13, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Apple for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 14th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Apple performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Apple stock currently holds a -0.324 score, and our system has ranked Apple hold candidate since April 12, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 1.65%. This is an average return of 0.82% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock price ended on $170.40 on Wednesday after gaining 1.65%. The Apple stock price gained 1.65% on the last trading day, Wednesday, April 13, 2022, rising from $167.64 to $170.40. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.55% from a day low at $166.78 to a day high of $171.04. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -4.16% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -9 million shares and in total, 64 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.87 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $122.25. Right now the price is 6.85%, or $12.54, below 52-week high and 73.84%, or $480.86, below all-time high June 6, 2014 where the price hit $651.26. The Apple stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 1.5% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -9.12% and 7.47%. The 12-month trend indicates a 33.66% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 22.09% and 54.05%. This equals a price between $208.05 and $262.50 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Apple stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $170.43. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $166.88. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 29, 2022, and so far it has fallen -4.78%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 16 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $170.33, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.26 between high and low, or 2.55%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.04%. The stock has a beta of 1.19. This tells us that Apple is 0.19 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 28.89. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released April 26, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.43. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $172.12. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $170.33, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $167.78, $166.77, $165.15. Sell at $171.03, $172.04, $173.67. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 4, 2022, O'Brien DRDRE made an inside sell of 60,936 of restricted stock unit. On April 4, 2022, O'Brien DRDRE made an inside sell of 11,701 of common stock. On April 4, 2022, O'Brien DRDRE made an inside sell of 17,497 of common stock. On April 4, 2022, Williams Jeffrey E. made an inside sell of 60,936 of restricted stock unit. On April 4, 2022, Williams Jeffrey E. made an inside sell of 59,064 of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -28.638. In total, The insiders bought 7,544,913 and sold 13,767,127 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $162.76, minus 4.48%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 11 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several negative signals and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 14th, we expect Apple to open down negative 99 cents and start trading at $169.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.